Hi everyone, I am Rudra Prathap, a fourth year student from CSE AI department GL Bajaj. Since I was a kid, I always wondered what those hackers and all those things they do with the terminal. I always wondered what it is for. When I got to studies, I got here GL Bajaj, I started to know about the things programming and all. Then I noticed these terminals we are gonna use for. What are these? We are using them for the running of backend servers, the tasks, the project evaluation, even sometimes the debugging at the basic layman terms. So, क्या हम इनसे कुछ और नहीं कर सकते? I always wondered what we can do with these things. Exactly with that, I am here with my project XCLI. What my project is? XCLI works as a multiple agentic framework that can focus on different tasks at the different agentic levels. Supposedly, if you want to work with a development agent and include a authentication service into your project, so what you use? We just go to an AI, ask it what you want to use it, and then AI does work for us. At the same time, what if I switch my mind and I want to include an authentication services as well as a JWT framework into my project directly? So, in layman terms, what I have to do, I have to do context switching. I have to again, one AI is already working, supposedly AI A, and now the second thing. For the JWT, I'll go to a new AI or some new chat in the same AI and then again describe what my project is, what it does, how it works, and how it's performing things. And then again, after all that, the AI is not sure that it will work according to what I want. So the solution is XCLI. Hello everyone, myself Yash Raghuvanshi and third year CSE AI student here at GL Bajaj. Now I'll start with how our project is more reliable in our terminal. So I'll start with our project usually have multiple agents with shared context memory. So I'll explain I got a project to create. Okay, so what's the basic is? I'll go to an AI, I'll type some prompts and it will give me some results. I'll copy paste it, run it, debug. This is a longer process, right? So how we can do this in an easier way? If I'll say you need 5 functionalities, I'll provide you 5 multiple agents in different branches with a shared context memory. मतलब एक जगह पे सब कुछ है एंड मल्टीपल एजेंट्स इन सारी चीज़ों को यूज़ कर रहे हैं एंड व्हाट दे विल डू डिफरेंट ब्रांचेस में काम होगा मर्ज कॉन्फ्लिक्ट नहीं होंगे बिकॉज वी हैव अ शेयर्ड मेमोरी सो दिस इज हाउ आर 5 functions or 6 functions are done within a time of same context and memories. So this will help us to just have debugging process more faster because we got everything in line. चीज़ें आसान हो जाएंगी, we'll got everything in production, deployment in an easier way. So, and the best part is, we got everything on our local machine. We got that command line interface where we can call our AI model and we can use that model. We can have everything on local machine. Local machine में file के access होंगे. We can create, update, all the CRUD operations can be done within that. So that's what our project is just giving a superpower to every kind of developer to have everything efficiently working. Okay, so our project does things into phases. So we have multiple skills and some superpower edge cases and test cases to handle every possible outcome. So how it does is it will create an implementation plan and then create some phases of implementation and then start it and start it the debugging process, and once it is debugged it will just start in on a testing production phase. I guess by now you all have been delighted by the impressive speech that Yash has been presented to you. So basic से बात करता है how it works. First one is planning, second one is phasing, third one is implementation. So now third one is the basic crucial step. यहाँ से हमारा प्रोजेक्ट बिल्ड होना स्टार्ट होता है, हमारे प्रोजेक्ट की बेसिक फाउंडेशन स्टार्ट होती है, हमारी फेजिंग के बाद इम्प्लीमेंटेशन करता है एआई. So the next step is called debugging. So now what is debugging? Supposedly, if you created an application from A to B transaction, then what if a flow breaks in between? That is called a failure or a test case failure. And finally, guys, we'd like to thank our respected teachers, respected HODs for all the environment, the resources, the support they have provided for our project, especially the NVIDIA programming lab that we have been provided with. Till the end.
With that, we are able to complete this project and thank you, Chief Bajaj, for providing us that much of guidance and resources.